Bees. What's all the buzz about and why do we need them in our garden?
When I tell you that 1 in 3 mouthfuls of the food that we eat is thanks to the work of bees, and that 90% of all food crops are pollinated by bees, then you begin to understand just how important these little critters really are to our food supply.
So attracting bees into your garden not only helps pollinate your fruit and veggies, but it can actually help pollinate fruit and veggies on farms up to 5 kilometres away, because bees will travel that far for the sweet nectar.
Creating a bee-friendly garden at your place is easy. It can be as simple as some pots of flowering plants or as elaborate as a full flowering mass planted border. Just make sure you've got things in flower in every season.
Bright and sweetly scented flowers like these bitters are irresistible to bees, and I can smell why.
Bitters are long flowering with a low growing habit and masses of these sunshine yellow long lasting flowers. They love full sun and a good trim back once they've finished flowering. You could also try including some pentas to bring in the bees. These tiny star-shaped flowers come in red, white or lavender shades, and the bees just love them. Cut these plants back hard in winter to encourage oodles of new growth in the spring.
Of course, once you've attracted bees into your garden, you want to make sure that you're not going to harm them, or worse, kill them. So if you need to use an insecticide or a fungicide, choose one from the Eco Organic Garden range. These are certified organic and absolutely safe for bees.